Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. SEZ denotification far from getting implemented. Missing minor girls found at Goa Vela. Its prudent impact. Bogmalo Beach gets lifeguards. And St. Thomas team defeated St. Clara team by 4-2. Now the news in detail. Almost after 1 year of officially announcing the scrapping of SEZs by government, its ghost is still impending Goa. Government officials agreed that the fact that process of denotifying 3 SEZs is moving slowly at the central level. Anti-SEZ activists have already raised their eyebrows and have asked government to act sincerely on this matter. Here is a report.
Government has decided to do away with the SEZs in its existing form. As far as 3 SEZs which are notified by the centre is concerned, since we do not have power, we are taking up this matter of denotifying with the central government.
This statement was given by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on 31st December 2007, announcing scrapping of SEZs in the state. Some call this announcement as a New Year gift for Goa, but still the process of denotifying 3 SEZs of K. Raheja, Meditech Specialties and Peninsula Pharma are not completed. Instead, the process of denotifying the SEZs is still to be discussed by the team of Union Commerce Ministry. When we contacted State Industries Director Sanjit Rodriguez on the denotification process, he said that the process is still with the Union Commerce Ministry. They would be in touch with officials at central level to carry ahead the process of denotification.
Our request to the central government to denotify the SEZs is pending. The Board of Approvals is yet to take up our request for discussion and debate. We have been members in the Board of Approvals, so there is not much of movement on that side. We would want the SEZ developers to understand the predicament and the situation we are in. The government of Goa has decided that SEZs would not be allowed in Goa. So it is for them to understand this, and if they have any other clarifications, any other solution by which we could move forward, we would be open to that.
During anti-SEZ movement, Matani Saldana and other activists spearheaded the agitation. Saldana says it is the corruption at the government level that is stopping this denotification. Now Saldana wants SEZ promoters to follow the footsteps of Ratan Tata and leave the state as early as possible.
That the promoters themselves should realize that they are not wanted in Goa, and that they should honorably go like the Tatas did in Singur. I think that would be a gentlemanly behavior, knowing the fact that Goa is does not have the place for such things. So they should honorably go and say goodbye, thank you, and collect the money that they had deposited with IDC and go. That would be great, instead of wasting public funds in the fighting in the courts.
A reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
2 minor girls who were reported missing were found at Goa Vela on Monday. Police say that they were found with 2 minor boys who were then arrested and sent to Apna Ghar.
Goa Vela area सोदपाक ट्राय केली तर आमकां आयता दीस कितें लोकेशन मेळना. सो सोमा दीस आमकां बाय सम रिलायबल सोर्स तेचे घराचो पत्तो मेळ्ळो. तो पत्तो मेळ्ळ्या नंतर आमी ते घरा कडेन गेले. घरा चवकशी केली जाल्यार ती भुरगीं 4 भुरगीं त्या घरान सुशेगाद आसलीं. तांकां आमी ट्रेस करून पोलिसांक हाडलीं. पोलिसांक हाडून तेंच्या आवय बापायक हाडून सांगून तेंचे स्वाधीन केली, मेडिकल एक्झामिनेशन केलें आनी ते भुरगे दोगूय जे आसा ते मायनर आसल्या कारणान तांकां सद्या आमी अपना घर मेर्शे हांगा दवरल्या. सो ती मायनर असल्या कारणान आमी किडनॅपिंग केलां आनी फुडलें इन्वेस्टिगेशन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ NGOs is in progress.
2 girls and 2 boys were sent to GMC for medical examination. Sources say that CRG has also taken cognizance in this case. Our reporter from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
The state celebrated Bakrid. People offered prayers at mosque and wished each other Eid Mubarak. We bring you more.
Eid-ul-Zuha or Bakri Eid is one of the most celebrated festivals among the Muslims of India. The festival of sacrifice, when the Muslims all over India sacrifice a goat. The festival celebrates strong faith of those devoted to Islam. It coincides with Hajj pilgrimage in Mecca and people offer prayers in mosque. The sacrificial meat is distributed after the Eid prayers to the families and friends. Special delicacies and sweets are prepared on the occasion. The festival is observed on the 10th day of the month, Dhul Hijjah, according to the Islamic calendar. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, and from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.